before going to discuss about electrochemical cell, first of all I would like to discuss about a very important technical term, that is on the oxygen. So the oxidation means not a oxygen. Oxidation means whenever any metal or any ion become a more electropositive or become a positive. Metal become a positive and ion positive, cation become a more positive, like Fe+2 ion become a Fe+3 ion. Zn metal convert into Zn+2 ion by losing 1 or 2 or 3 or more electron. So that kind of process is called a oxidation. Why we are discussing? Because in electrochemistry very important technical term we use, that is on the redox reaction. Redox reactions we know that takes place by the help of oxidation as well as reduction in simultaneously in a solution in a contact form or not a contact form, or we can see that redox reaction takes place indirectly or directly in a chemical process. So oxidation simply we can say that losing of one or more electron by any species. It may be metal or any may be a cation. Now for example, like whenever sodium lose 1 electron become Na plus ion, Mg lose 2 electron become Mg+2 ion, Zn lose 2 electron become a Zn+2 ion. Okay, and lead lose 2 electron become a Lead+2 ion. So simultaneously or same way, some metal or non-metal can accept some electron, like Na whenever react with NaCl become a Na plus ion, and Cl2 become a Cl minus ion. So in formation of NaCl, Cl gas or Cl2 gas reduced by gaining of 2 electron. So simply we can say that reduction is a process by which any species gains some more electron, 1 or more electron. So that is only reduction. Now we have to discuss about the very important cell, that is a electrochemical cell. In electrochemical cell, what is happening? Before going to electrochemical cell, first of all I would like to tell you two important things. Redox reaction takes place directly, that is known as a direct redox reaction, or whenever redox reaction takes place indirectly in two different pots or separate pots by a mixing of a different kind of a solution, that is known as reduction or redox reaction takes place indirectly. Now first of all we have to think about the electrochemical cell or voltaic cell, that is known as also voltaic cell, also known as galvanic cell, because this electrochemical cell is previously discovered by or originated by or prepared by Galvani as well as Volta. Okay, Daniel Galvani and Volta. After that, this electrochemical cell convert into a Daniel cell. So first of all, electrochemical cell. Electrochemical cell contain a two part. First one part is called oxidation half cell, or which contain oxidation potential and having oxidation potential. In right side, another pot, another jar, which in which reduction takes place, that is a reduction half cell. So these both pot are connected by inverted U-shaped tube, that is only a salt bridge. In salt bridge agar solution or inert solution we take place. Sometimes we also take place KCl solution, KNO3, because these solution are not more reactive in regarding the redox reaction. Another important thing I would like to share you that if we use any one of in oxidation half cell or in a reduction half cell silver metal, in that way we do not use a KCl solution, because silver metal react with a KCl solution. This is another thing. So what is happening if we take first one pot which having zinc metal emerge in a zinc sulfate solution, and which is called a anode, which is a negative plate of a electrochemical cell. In this electrochemical cell, what is happening? Zinc electrode release some electron, 2 electron, and these electron flow from this portion left side to right side. Simultaneously, in a right side, what we have to take? We have to take copper metal, which is emerged in a copper sulfate solution. In copper sulfate solution, copper accepts some electron which are coming from the zinc side or left side. In a right side pot or right half pot or a reduction half cell accept electron, and that Cu plus ion which are present in solution, in copper sulfate solution, which deposited on a copper electrode. So there are two important things are happening. Zinc metal is dissolved and give electrons, while copper ion accept some electron and reduce. Zinc oxidize, copper reduce. And the important function is that if galvanometer showing the direction from left side or right side, it is indicating the flow of electric current. If it is flowing left side, it means that the external potential is less than 1.1 volt, and if there is no electricity is taking place or no reaction is taking place, in that way external potential is equal to 1.1 volt. While when Cu metal start dissolving, in that way the electric current flow from zinc to copper, and electrons start flowing from a copper to a zinc. So this is a electrochemical cell. In next video I will discuss about the very important technical term, representation of a electrochemical cell. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Likes and subscribe my video, subscribe my channel, like my video, share this video with your friends. Thanks so much. The Quantum Classes.